Hi everyone, I'm Danielle George, the President of the Institution of Engineering and Technology, or the IET as we like to call ourselves, and I'm delighted to join you this evening. I'm here to announce the launch of the IET Fashion District Manufacturing Futures Prize. But before I do, I wanted to tell you why the IET is teaming up with the London Fashion District and with the fashion innovation agency London College of Fashion, UAL. In May next year, the IET celebrates its 150th anniversary, and we have a whole host of activities planned throughout our anniversary year, which kicked off last month. We're one of the oldest professional institutions, and we have a global community of incredible volunteers, members, and partners. Engineers through the ages have shaped the way we live today, from innovators and forward thinkers to influencers and people that you might not typically think of. Our profession is dedicated to the advancement of knowledge, and we're proud to play a pivotal role in uniting forces from across society to engineer a better world together. Global warming, pollution, diseases, and the overuse of scarce resources. These are significant real-world issues that affect us all. The engineering and technology community is leading the way in creating practical solutions to these problems to improve our world for future generations. Engineering and technology is now ingrained in our everyday lives. It surrounds us. It's everywhere, every second of the day. It's in our homes, our cars, our clothes, and for some people, it's even inside their bodies, helping them to stay healthy. So, where does the fashion come into this? Well, next year's prize will bring engineers together with the fashion sector to solve some of its biggest challenges. That could include finding more sustainable materials, reducing waste, supply chain solutions, or tech to support our ateliers and manufacturers. We'll be looking for innovative solutions to current industry issues within manufacturing. So keep an eye out for more information in the new year. Thanks for listening and enjoy the rest of your evening.